apple?
No, this is for your lunchbox tomorrow.
Mommy, you have to make it tomorrow morning. It'll be gross and brown tomorrow at lunchbox if you do it now.
Yeah, I know, but I can't make it tomorrow morning. I'm going to be really busy. I want to make it now and just put it in the Tupperware and pull it out tomorrow morning.
Maybe that we should do some research on why it turns brown, and then maybe that can help us to find a solution so that it doesn't turn brown.
What do you think, Constance?
I think that's a great idea.
For my research, I learned why an apple turns brown. It turns brown when it touches the air. An apple has cells. And in an apple cell, there are two kinds of molecules: phenol and phenolase. When the cell is damaged, then oxygen reacts with the phenol and phenolase. So basically, when the oxygen and phenolase mix together, and the phenol mixes with the mixture of oxygen and phenolase, the phenol turns into another molecule of melanin. Melanin is also the molecule that's in our skin and lets us tan in the sun. Melanin has a brown color, which lets the apple turn brown. So basically, when we cut an apple, we see the phenol turning into melanin. From my research, I learned that there are two kinds of molecules that make the apple turn brown. But I also learned that acid prevents the apple from turning brown. I learned that lemon is the best acidic product to use.
Ew! Lemon is disgusting. It's sour. Ew.
Well, maybe that we can use another acidic product in the kitchen that'll make it good and it'll work as well.
Yeah.
I have an idea. Maybe we could use, I know, milk has acid in it. What else? Coke has acid in it. We could use this sparkling lemonade. We could even use cherry 7-Up.
Wow.
We could use honey with lemons, and we could use, let's see, here. We could use this raspberry vinegar.
Ooh, I love raspberries.
Okay, I think that we're good to go. So now we are going to do our experiment. I've gotten out 6 different kinds of acidic products from my kitchen. The first one is 7-Up, cherry. Second one is Coca-Cola. Then Sprite. Then we have milk. We have lemon juice mixed with honey for my sister, and raspberry vinegar. I am going to dip a piece of apple in each bowl and coat it and put it on the plate. And then tomorrow morning we will see what each of them looks like. So first one in the milk. Leave it a few seconds. Put it out on the plate. Second one in the lemon juice. Put it on the plate. Raspberry vinegar. A few seconds. We are also going to put one in a bowl that's empty until it will brown. It'll become brown. And that I call control. There we go, and we'll see tomorrow morning which one will be the less brown and which one will taste best. Last night we put a piece of apple in each bowl of acidic products, and these are the results of this morning. So the lemon juice and milk look almost exactly like what they did when we cut it. The Sprite and 7-Up are kind of brown, but there is a difference with the control. You can see. And the raspberry vinegar and Coke did not work very well, but I think it also changes because the vinegar and the Coke were already dark products, so it might have changed something. But you can kind of see a difference between the control and not really. But, and the control is very brown. So now Constance is going to taste the apples because sometimes oxidation also changes the texture of the apple. But she will only taste the lemon juice mixed with honey and the milk one because those were the ones that looked the best. So Constance, okay, that one is the milk.
So the milk tastes like the real one. Say. Ew. It's really sour, that one. So I guess the milk wins.
Okay. So in conclusion, the best way to prevent oxidation on an apple is to dip it in milk before eating it if you leave it a long time. I guess that the lemon juice looked the best, but if Constance says that the milk tasted best, I guess the milk is the best choice. The milk was a surprising winner. So I went back and did some research and found out that when you leave milk out, it becomes more sour and more acidic. So that might be part of the reason it was the winner, because it was left out a long time.